Hello everyone, welcome back to the College Dunya's YouTube channel. If you are preparing for JEE Main 2026 Session 2, then this video is very important for you. In this video, we will explain everything about JEE Main 2026 Session 2 City Intimation Slip, including when it will be released, where to download it, and what details it contains. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's start with the most important question. When will the City Intimation Slip be released? Based on previous year trends, the JEE Main 2026 Session 2 City Intimation Slip is expected to be released in mid-March 2026, most likely around March 20. The JEE Main Session 2 exams are scheduled to be conducted from April 2 to April 9, 2026. This includes both Paper 1 for BTech and Paper 2 for BR. Now you might be wondering, why is the City Intimation Slip so important? The City Intimation Slip tells you which city your exam will be conducted and your exam date. This helps students plan their accommodation and travel in advance, especially if their exam city is different from where they live. Remember, this slip is released before the admit card, so students have enough time to prepare their travel plans. The City Intimation Slip will be available only on the official website. Students need to visit JEE Main NTA official website. On the home page, you will see a link that says JEE Main 2026 Session 2 City Intimation Slip. Click on that link and proceed. Always make sure you download it only from the official NTA website and not from any third-party site. Now let's understand the step-by-step process to download the slip. Visit the official website jeemain.nta.nic.in. Click on the link that says JEE Main 2026 Session 2 City Intimation Slip. Enter your 12-digit application number, enter a date of birth, and click on Submit. Once you submit the details, the City Intimation Slip PDF will appear on the screen, and you can download it easily. For best experience, it is recommended to use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. The City Intimation Slip will contain some of the very important details such as your allotted exam city and your exam date. For example, your slip may show a city like Chennai, Tamil Nadu, along with your exam date. As soon as you download the slip, you should note the exam date and start planning your travel if required. Now this is very important. The City Intimation Slip does not show the exact exam center address. It also does not show your shift timing, whether exam is in the morning or afternoon. These details are only mentioned in JEE Main admit card. The JEE Main 2026 Session 2 admit card is expected to be released around March 28, 2026. The admit card will include exact exam center address, exam shift timing, reporting time, and important exam instructions. So after downloading your city slip, keep checking the website for the official admit card release. Once you download your City Intimation Slip, here are a few things you should do immediately. First, mark your exam date on your calendar. Second, if your exam city is far from your home, book your travel tickets and accommodation early to avoid last-minute rush. And finally, keep checking the official websites for admit card update. So this was everything you need to know about JEE Main 2026 Session 2 City Intimation Slip. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to College Dunya's YouTube channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any important exam updates. Also, if you have any questions about JEE Main 2026, you can ask them in comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.